Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 promises true crossplay wireless that lets you swap between console and PC with one button while juggling Bluetooth at the same time. Either we've reached wireless headset nirvana or we're buying into expensive confusion. On paper, it's stacked. Dual USB transmitters, simultaneous 2.4 GHz plus Bluetooth 5.2, giant 60 Eclipse dual drivers, up to 80 hours of battery, AI noise-reduced flip-to-mute mic, and a Deep Swarm II app with 10-band EQ and advanced superhuman hearing. Sounds criminally generous, right? But here's the thing, impressive specs can hide trade-offs. I spent 2 weeks testing this on PS5, PC, and Steam Deck, updated the firmware, and pushed it through shooters, RPGs, and Discord chats. I've put the direct link to check current pricing in the description, but before you click anything, let me show you what I discovered after 2 weeks of testing. Here's what Turtle Beach says this headset will do for you. Seamless switching between platforms without moving dongles, keep Bluetooth and low latency wireless going simultaneously, deliver immersive spatial audio with its largest-in-class 16 dual drivers, and survive marathon sessions with up to 80 hours of battery. Sounds awesome, right? Plus a comfort-first design with memory foam, glasses-friendly cushions, and a steel-reinforced lay-flat build. Pretty bold claims for 169.99 and a 4.2 Amazon rating. But here's where things get interesting. Reality check. Crossplay dual transmitters. They claim effortless swapping between platforms with one button. What you actually get is a reliable 2 to 3 second handoff when you press the crossplay button with a momentary audio duck while it switches radios. Here's why: the headset can only be connected to one 2.4 GHz transmitter at a time. It's not mixing two USB sources, it's switching between them. It's still miles better than repairing or moving dongles, but remember it also eats two USB ports on your setup. In crowded 2.4 GHz environments, I saw one or two quick blips until I moved the dongle away from a USB 3.0 hub using an extension, which lines up with known 2.4 interference behavior. Simultaneous 2.4 GHz plus Bluetooth. They claim you can game on console or PC while chatting on Discord or taking calls from your phone with independent volume controls. Reality. It works exactly as advertised. Game audio stays low latency over 2.4, phone audio rides on top, and you can mix levels on the fly. The plot twist. Bluetooth latency is still Bluetooth latency, and you're likely on SBC or AAC, so don't expect perfect sync if you're watching videos on your phone while gaming. Also, some advanced EQ features only apply in 2.4 mode, not over pure Bluetooth, which the marketing fine print actually admits. 60 Eclipse dual drivers and spatial audio. They claim immersive clarity with separate woofer and tweeter in each ear. What you actually get is punchy low end, clear mids, and crisp highs that avoid the muddy blob you get on single driver headsets. Imaging in shooters like Modern Warfare and Apex is legitimately strong. Positional cues are easy to place. But wait, there's more. Advanced superhuman hearing dials up footstep frequencies and reduces bass bloom, which is great for competitive play but can sound thin and fatiguing for story games or music. That's not deception, just a tuning choice you'll want to toggle per game. Mic with AI noise reduction. They promise exceptional clarity with a redesigned flip-to-mute boom. Reality. Background hums and keyboard clicks get pushed way down and teammates heard me clearly. The trade-off is a process tone. Your voice sounds a bit compressed and less natural than broadcast mics. It's leagues better than many gaming mics, but if you stream, you'll still want a dedicated microphone. In loud environments, the AI suppression earns its keep. 80-hour battery. They claim up to 80 hours and 3 hours from a 15-minute quick charge. Reality. With mixed 2.4 plus Bluetooth at around 60–70% volume, I landed in the 60–70 hour range. Strict 2.4 only and lower volume got me closer to the 75-hour mark. The 15-minute top-up consistently netted a few hours. Here's where it gets interesting. The battery indicator isn't super granular, so you'll want a quick charge when you hit the last third rather than gambling on exact percentages. Comfort and build. They promise plush memory foam, glasses relief, and a steel-reinforced frame. Reality. Clamp force is secure without hot spotting. The Prospex channels do actually help with glasses, and the lay-flat cups make desk storage easy. Heat buildup is reasonable thanks to the hybrid athletic weave fabric. The steel reinforcement gives it a more premium feel than older Turtle Beach models. Sound quality, out of the box, the signature sound preset is lively with a slight V-shape. Bass boost slams for explosions but can overshadow dialogue. Treble boost brings footstep detail forward. Vocal boost cleans up comms heavy games. The dual driver design keeps the bass from bleeding into the mids better than many headsets at this price. Imaging is where it shines for competitive play. Here's what nobody tells you. Advanced superhuman hearing is awesome for shooters but not a set and forget mode. Use it selectively or you'll miss the cinematic weight in single-player games. Battery life in my tests, 2 long weeks of daily gaming didn't kill it. Quick charge is legit for last-minute sessions. The marketing says up to 80 hours. My results were more like high 60s with mixed wireless, which is still class-leading at this price. What the marketing doesn't mention, Bluetooth plus 2.4 together draw more power than 2.4 only, so expect variance. Build and comfort. The steel-reinforced headband feels durable and the ear cushions balance softness with support. Weight is noticeable but well distributed. The glass's relief channel is a real advantage over rivals if you wear frames. I didn't get creaks or flex noises during head turns. Lay-flat design is travel-friendly. Connectivity and app crossplay switching works, but remember it's one 2.4 link at a time. You'll still need both USB ports occupied. The Swarm II app is powerful. 10-band EQ for both speakers and mic, custom presets, game chat mix, variable mic monitoring, and mappable wheel and mode button. Here's the thing, some settings don't apply over pure Bluetooth and there's a learning curve. After a firmware update, my brief connection hiccups disappeared, so update day 1. Compared to SteelSeries Nova 7 and Corsair HS80 Max, Turtle Beach gives you more onboard controls and a deeper EQ, while the competitors feel a bit simpler to operate. Recommendation: recommended for most players with a caution for mic purists. If you want true multi-platform convenience, long battery life, strong imaging for shooters, and the ability to take Discord calls while you game, this is a great buy at $169.99. Pros: seamless 2.4 plus Bluetooth mixing, powerful app and EQ, class-leading battery, comfortable with glasses, sturdy build. Cons: mic sounds processed, Bluetooth is not for low-latency video, 2-dongle setup uses extra USB ports, and the app takes time to master. If you prioritize the most natural mic for streaming, save your money for a dedicated mic or a higher-end headset. Otherwise, for console and PC players, this hits the sweet spot. Thanks for watching. If this review saved you from wasting money or helped you find something actually worth buying, I've put the link to check current pricing and read more reviews in the description. And hey, if you do decide to buy through my link, it helps fund these investigations without costing you extra. Tell me in the comments what you want me to pit this against next. Nova 7, Blackshark V2 Pro, or something under 150. Stay sharp, play smart, and I'll see you in the next one.